Hi friends, this is Jennifer, and today we are doing a long tail cast on. So we want to take a long tail of our yarn, about 3 times the width of the stitches that we want to create. And we're going to bring it into our palm, bring it around the outside of the thumb. I'm using my left hand here, over my first finger, and then back down. So I've got both yarns in my last 3 fingers. And then we're going to take this needle, and to get our first couple of stitches on, we're going to go right in from the front. We're going to lift up, come over here to the thumb. To the outside of the thumb, we're going to slide up the base of the thumb, come around and just grab that finger yarn, pull it right back through, let the thumb out, and then you can use that thumb to tighten up those 2 stitches. So there we have stitch 1 and 2. Let's do those first ones again. So we have over the thumb, over the finger, and we're holding both of them. We've got an upside down triangle here. We're going to take our needle and go in to the center, lift up, bring it around to the front of the thumb. We're going to slide up the thumb, catching that yarn. Then we're going to grab the one that's on, oops, totally dropped that. We'll start that one again. We'll come up, grab the thumb yarn, grab the finger yarn, come back through, let the thumb out, and pull tight. So there's 1, 2 stitches there. So let's move on to do it a couple more. Now we have this slingshot, now that we've got our stitches live. Then we'll just go thumb, finger, release, tighten it up. Thumb, finger, through the hole, release, tighten it up. Up the thumb, grab the finger yarn and drag it back through your thumb yarn hole, release the thumb, and tighten that up. Let's do that one more time. Up, grab the yarn, bring it through the hole, release the thumb, and then tighten it up right like that. So there you have it, long tail cast on. Have a great day.